Hello guys, greetings to all of you. In this opportunity, I want to show you some special circuit or some kind of crazy special circuit that I call the the strange cold energy that produce strange kinds of effects. This circuit is formed with only two transistors. It's a very simple circuit certainly, but the special of this is its capacity to produce only one unidirectional pulse of energy at a certain frequency. These frequencies is transmitted to the principal coil. This principal coil produces one pulse, one unidirectional of cold energy. This pulse of cold energy is transmitted through this coil formed with a flyback ferrite core. This coil is formed with a unique flyback ferrite core. This has one single aluminum plate passes through it. This aluminum plate can transmit the cold energy. The energy is transmitted from the inner part of the aluminum plate, but not outside. You surely will be questioning how a single plate can transmit enough energy to turn on some lamps or some kind of LEDs, white LEDs, with its proper coil, with like that. This kind of coil has a white LED. Each coil has a white LED, its proper white LED, and each one will be turned on, as you will see next. Well, I will turn on the circuit. As you can hear, this produce certain frequency. I will be adding the the coils. I will be adding the coils next to one, each other next to the one other, and you will see the light on each one. I have to close the aluminum plate so that the LEDs turn on. I have to maintain the aluminum plate closed so that the circuit of cold energy can be closed. It's a little difficult to maintain close the aluminum plate. I have to put I had to put this to maintain the aluminum plate closed. But you see, the LED brights is a very bright. I will add the second coil with the proper LED. I will add the third LED and the fourth and the fifth. I can add other 5 coils, but I had to make that. But by now I have only 5 coils. As you see, the brightness of each LED is the same. The brightness of each coil with its proper LEDs is the same. It not affects each one another. But you see, it is it is transmitting from the inner part of the aluminum plate. If I put the coil outside, it doesn't bright. It doesn't bright. If I put outside, it doesn't bright. But if I put it in the inner part of the aluminum plate. It brights. Outside doesn't doesn't bright. Inside it brights. Well, guys. I want to stress the subject of the if I take the aluminum plate and take out all the coils that I put in first, I will take off the aluminum plate from this coil, and I will try to put it in the inner part of this coil, this core, and you will see the effect. I take the aluminum plate and put it passing through inner the ferrita coil of this principal coil of this circuit, and I will be turn on the circuit. The circuit is turned on, and I will try to do the same in the first example. I will close the aluminum plate, and I will put in the inner part this coil with its proper lead. I put it in the aluminum plate. I close it. As you see, it doesn't bright. I put it in the other side, and it doesn't bright. I tried to close the aluminum plate, and it doesn't bright. Why? Why it doesn't bright? Outside, inside, and it doesn't bright in both sides. It doesn't bright. Absolutely nothing. It doesn't bright. Why? Why it doesn't bright? Because of the action of the cold energy. The cold energy can be transmitted through the surface of certain materials, like energy fluid or energy current. This kind of effects or experiments can be made in the next videos, so that you maintain your attention. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.